Ever wondered about the ferocious power of hurricanes and tornadoes and how they compare? Well, it's time to dive deep into the heart of these natural disasters. Often, we hear about their destructive capabilities, but did you know there's more to them than just that? They share some intriguing similarities, yet they're also starkly different in certain aspects. We're about to embark on an exciting journey, exploring the ins and outs of these weather phenomena. Stay tuned as we unravel the fascinating world of these natural disasters. First, let's dive into the world of hurricanes. Hurricanes, often referred to as the greatest storm on Earth, are born from warm, moist air rising from the sea, creating a system of swirling winds with a calm center known as the eye. They are characterized by their immense size, sometimes stretching up to 600 miles across, and their powerful winds, which can reach up to 200 miles per hour. The impact of hurricanes can be devastating, causing flooding, wind damage, and even loss of life. These storms are categorized into 5 levels or categories based on their wind speed. Category 1 hurricanes are the weakest, with winds of up to 95 miles per hour, while Category 5 hurricanes are the most destructive, with wind speeds exceeding 157 miles per hour. Each category carries a different level of potential damage, with Category 5 hurricanes posing the greatest threat. Now that we have a grasp on hurricanes, it's time to switch gears to tornadoes. Tornadoes, on the other hand, are a whole different ballgame. A tornado is a rapidly rotating column of air that is in contact with the Earth's surface and a cumulonimbus cloud, or in rarer instances, the base of a cumulus cloud. Unlike hurricanes, tornadoes form from severe thunderstorms. They are usually smaller in size, but their winds can reach a staggering 250 miles per hour. Tornadoes can be classified into different types based on their size, shape, and strength. The enhanced Fujita scale is used to rate the intensity of a tornado by examining the damage caused after it has passed. It ranges from EF0, being the weakest, to EF5, being the most violent. The impact of a tornado can be devastating, with the potential to flatten buildings, uproot trees, and hurl vehicles through the air. But remember, the more we understand about these natural phenomena, the better we can prepare for them. With a solid understanding of both hurricanes and tornadoes, it's time to put them head to head. Hurricanes and tornadoes, two powerful forces of nature, but how do they compare? At first glance, they might seem like identical twins of destruction, but they're more like distant cousins. Let's untangle these weather phenomena. Hurricanes are born over warm ocean waters, growing into mammoth storms spanning hundreds of miles. They bring a triple threat of destructive winds, torrential rain, and devastating storm surges. Tornadoes, on the other hand, are much smaller but pack a punch. They form overland, usually as offshoots of thunderstorms, and unleash concentrated, high-speed winds that can flatten buildings in their path. In terms of severity, both can cause catastrophic damage, but hurricanes typically affect larger areas and last for days, while tornadoes are short-lived, often disappearing as quickly as they form. Common misconceptions. Some may think tornadoes are just smaller hurricanes, but their formation and behavior are distinctly different. As we can see, while they may seem similar at first glance, hurricanes and tornadoes are quite distinct in their own ways. So there you have it, a deep dive into the world of hurricanes and tornadoes. We've untangled the twisters, surfed the cyclones, and explored the contrast between these two weather giants. From their formation to their impacts, each has its unique characteristics and effects. Remember, hurricanes are vast, ocean-borne storms, while tornadoes are smaller, land-based whirlwinds. Despite their differences, both command respect and caution. Next time a storm brews, you'll know exactly what's on the horizon. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.